Section 5 in Chapter 9 is about distance. Before we get into distance, we're going to review midpoint and slope. Not only is it good review, but you're going to see some of the same notation in distance that you do in both midpoint and in slope. Okay, if you're given 2 points in the coordinate plane for midpoint, remember you're going to add the two x coordinates together, divided by 2. For the y coordinate, you take the two y coordinates, add them together, and divide it by 2. Okay, so this first one, for our midpoint, we take our two x coordinates. First one is -5. The second one is a +1. We add them together, divide it by 2. We take our y coordinates, again a -5, a +3, divide them by 2. -5 plus 1 is a -4. -5 plus 3 is a -2. And when we divide each of those by 2, our midpoint is a -2, -1. Okay? For slope, if you guys remember, slope is the change in y over the change in x. Or rise over run. Okay, so those two, both of those things to remember, okay, means that we are going to take the difference of our y coordinates, and that will be the numerator. Our denominator is the difference in our x coordinates, okay? So this first example, our y coordinates are 3 and -5, and remember we are subtracting them. Our x coordinates are 1, -5. Okay, remember when we subtract a negative, that becomes plus a positive. That happens in both numerator and denominator of this example. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. And we can simplify 8 over 6 to 4 over 3. Okay, so for a midpoint, you'll get a coordinate, another coordinate point. For slope, you'll get a fraction because that is a ratio. Okay, go ahead and try example B and C on your own and come back.